Your dog is Tommy and our dog is a dog. Today I'll give you a nuclear example of this famous Urdu quotation. In February 2022, Russia attacked Ukraine. In March of 22, Russia took control of the largest nuclear power facility in Ukraine at Zaporozhye. A Security Council meeting was held, and Mr. Grossi, the chief of International Atomic Energy Commission, gave 5 principles to the world. First, never attack a nuclear facility. The second, never cut power to a nuclear facility. The third, never keep soldiers or weapons inside a nuclear facility. The fourth, never disturb the safety mechanism of a nuclear facility. And the fifth, never violate any of these principles. And today, in broad daylight, Israel has not only fired, rather bombed 3 nuclear facilities in Iran at Isfahan, Natanz, and Furdow. And we see headlines in CNN, BBC, and Times of Israel that all 15,000 centrifuges must have been destroyed because the power was shut off. Not only did Israel expose the Iranian people to the nuclear radiation, rather Israel exposed the entire world to a nuclear risk. And Mr. Grossi is concerned. That is why we must say that your dog is Tommy and our dog is simply a dog.